Welcome to 215 Alt Road. This cute 2-bedroom, 1 full bath brick bungalow with updated luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout inside and a fenced yard. It's located in the Cabin Creek neighborhood in Hopkins near Southeast Columbia. Convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, Southeast Columbia amenities, Congaree National Forest, as well as Richland 1 schools. So we're outside in the front yard. As you can see, you have a driveway, single car driveway coming along the right side. The property is mostly fenced, and I say that because you do have chain link fencing surrounding both the front and backyards, but it is open at the gate. There's no actual gate that comes off of the street, so it's not secure for pets, but you do have some nice separation here as well. So again, nice sized driveway on the right side. You can see open to the backyard there, and walkway leading up to the covered front porch. Up a few steps here, and then as you enter, again, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring that has been updated throughout, or a couple updates in the kitchen and bathroom as well. So you enter into the living room here. You have a ceiling fan and a few windows looking out towards the front. And then access to the kitchen is on the right side. You do have another access off the hall as well. So again, in the kitchen, you can see there's an included electric stove, refrigerator, and you also do have your laundry connections in here as well. So you can see space for a full-size washer and dryer setup, and great cabinetry. Nice countertops as well. A bit more space there in the corner. Also, access to the backyard is off the back of the kitchen. So you can see a nice sized backyard. And again, you do benefit from that fencing that does go around. And then access back out to the hallway from here. We'll just slide this door back. But you can see you're sort of in the main or central hall of the home. See, the living room is back that way, and then you have your 2 bedrooms and a full bath all off of this central hall. So one of those is here. You can see a ceiling fan is here as well. This is the front facing bedroom. And you have a small closet here in the corner. And I believe this is just some linen closet space. And then you have bedroom number 2. And the closet is on the opposite wall there, as you can see. And then last but not least, you have your full bathroom that the 2 bedrooms share. So you have a single vanity in here, mirror, and a shower and tub, and you do have some built-in kind of shelving in the shower enclosure there for just toiletries as well. So that completes our tour of this home out in Hopkins, 215 Alt Road. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.